August the 8th, 2024. Guys, just a quick update. In the video this morning, you saw this clip, and I linked to it, and we showed a portion of it. But a couple of things that I wanted to go back and look into and kind of listen to it a couple more times and dig into this a little bit. But they were saying that, again, there was the first time they've ever gave a warning for a mega quake after a 7-point-plus quake, and we had actually two, a 6.9 and a 7.1. And then if you look at the history, going back to, let's see, I wrote it down, 1904, there's been 1,437 times that a large quake followed a 7-point quake in Japan. Now, do you know what the last one was? It was 2013 in March. It was the Fukushima quake. 2 days before that, and you can go there and look at it, there was a 7.0 quake. Now, what they've done is put together the data, and I think that's why this is the first ever warning. But again, you've got 1,400 cases going back to 1904. That's a pretty strong case. So anyway, that's what the warning is. And the Philippine plate, which is just offshore of southern Japan, is slipping under the Asian plate or the Eurasian plate, and it sank as it was doing that. Didn't have a large tsunami, but I just wanted to point out again that I think this is also the anniversary of the atomic bombs. Anyway, 1,400 times since 1904, a strong megaquake, stronger than a 7.1, has hit within 2 days of one of these. Again, Fukushima. And by the way, in Fukushima, guys, we tracked X flares coming in from the sun, 2 or 3 of them, and struck Japan at I think around 2:45 p.m. that afternoon, and you had that 9.0 quake. And what they're saying here is, in their warning, and if you've got friends anywhere in that area, share this with them. But in that warning, they were saying it could be an 8 to a 9. Now, a 9 has happened here before, and that was Fukushima. But just think around to the very edge, down in, I guess in the Philippines there and further south, you had that Banda Aceh quake, which was also a 9. But anyway, that's what they're saying. That's what I just wanted to go back in and listen to what these two ladies were saying on this news channel. I will link the entire video with you, to you again, so you can watch it. It's also linked in the video before this. Just a warning. We're getting into those times. Now, where will that quake be if it happens? More than likely in that area. But you're dealing with the ring of fire. And there's also some pressure now kind of around it. You're seeing some quakes around California and things like that. But I just wanted to come in here for a moment and mention that fact. We're watching it. You watch it. It's a heads up. Be safe.